To use hotspot on the OPPO A80 5G, first of all, you will have to open settings. Right now, you will have to go for connection and sharing and select personal hotspot. Now, before you actually turn it on, you can change some settings. So here you can find name of your hotspot, password, and of course by clicking here and here you can change this data. Right here you can find AP band and the security, but I don't recommend you to even change the settings, just leave them as default. And here you can even hide the hotspot so it can only be connected manually. Then if you select and change something, click save in the right bottom corner. If you want to keep that changes, go back. And here you can manage device connection, so you can set something into the blacklist. You can limit the device connection, for example, to 5 devices. And you can set the data usage limit if you want. For example, you can restrict into the 1 gigs. Then you can go back, and to turn it on, you have to just click here. And now you can even find the QR code, so you can let someone to quickly scan. Also, it will view the password, and you can even use the quick share. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.